Ever wondered why some websites rank on Google even without adding the relevant keywords, and some websites don't even after doing everything? You add keywords, you optimize titles, you write the long content, you even use AI for your SEO, but still no ranking. The problem here is most common that people ignore in SEO. It's eeat, means eat in SEO. It's deeply related to the author SEO. So EAT means experience, expertise, authoritativeness and trustworthiness. That's how Google decides, can I trust this website enough to rank on first page? So if you want to optimize your website for Google EAT, you need to understand it deeply. So in today's video, we will learn what is eeat in SEO and why EAT in SEO is really important, and how to optimize your website for Google EAT with DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin and the best practices of EAT concept in SEO. So let's start. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness and trustworthiness. First we will talk about experience. So Google wants to know, have you actually experienced what you are talking about? For example, suppose you are writing for the HR tips. So Google wants to know, are you really HR professional or just rewriting content from the internet? So Google checks for the signals like author information, author bio, your identity or the real examples. That's how Google check your experience. And the second one is expertise. So Google wants proof of your knowledge. For example, if you are writing about SEO, marketing, HR interview tips, finance or health, so Google wants proof of your knowledge, because it in SEO is all about proving the Google you are not just an ordinary content writer. You are an expert in a specific field and you can achieve it with the strong author SEO presence. And the third one is authoritativeness. But first, I am going to ask you a simple question. Do other people really trust you? Do you have a strong online presence like mentions, backlinks or a strong about us page? Because without it, Google won't trust you. So you have to create a good authority on internet. Now the question here is how you can optimize your website for Google EAT so Google can trust you. Because having experience, expertise and trust in real life is one thing, but presenting it on search engines is another. That's where DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin for WordPress helps, where you can optimize your website for the EAT signals properly. So the DefiniteSEO gives you a dedicated eeat feature in SEO, where you can optimize your website for Google EAT signals. Like you can optimize the author bio, their personal information, their expertise, or you can also assign the reviewers. And the best part, DefiniteSEO AI WordPress plugin will automatically generate the structured data for your EAT signals, so Google can read and understand it for better ranking. So you don't really do the coding, you don't add the structured data manually, the plugin does it for you. And this is exactly Google needs for eeat signals in SEO, and especially for YMYL pages, means your money or your life. These pages are those which are related to the health, finance, safety, legal matters or education, in which one wrong information or one inaccurate information can impact someone's life. That's why eeat in SEO and for Google is really important. So without wasting the time, let's optimize our website for the EAT signals in a DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin. So for optimizing your website for eeat, you have to download the DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin for your WordPress website. Like here, just go to the plugin sections of your website and click on add new plugin. From here, you need to search DefiniteSEO. Now just click on install button. And after installing, just activate this plugin. Now you can see the plugin is installed here. So first thing we are going to do is just go to the dashboard settings of DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin and scroll down, and here you can see there is a module of eeat skills. You need to turn on it, like I have turned it on, and just save the changes. Now here you can see our eeat skills module is turned on. You can optimize your website for the eat signals from two places with the DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin. Like from the dashboard, you can directly click on the settings here, or you can just go to the dashboard settings of the DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin and then click on the preferences. In the preferences section, you can see there is a feature of eeat skills. Just click on it. And the first thing you have to optimize is you need to add the author experience topics, like which kind of experience you are having as an author. You can write here the skill name, like I am having the experience in SEO, so I will write the SEO here, marketing. I wrote it. Or you can add the links here of your skills, like I haven't mentioned here for now, but I can add the example link for giving you all the example. Like I will add this link here. Here you can see. Now we are done with the author experience topics. Like we have added the topics our authors is having the experience, and after that you need to customize the post types that will be appended in author bio, like which type of post types you want to appear in the author bio. Like here you can include or exclude the post, pages, categories. I'm going to exclude the categories and pages here. And after customizing it, you can just save the changes. And here you can see after saving the changes, my author experience topics are added here, and I have also customized which kind of post types I want to append in author bio. Like I have included only the post here. Okay, now we have added the author expertise, like we have added their experience and which kind of post types we want to append in the author bio. Now let's talk about assigning the reviewers. So the DefiniteSEO gives you a specific option to set the reviewer for your eat signals, and for it just open any of your posts that you want to optimize for the eat signals. Like I have opened this post, best AI SEO plugin for WordPress, DefiniteSEO, and just here in the right you can just see the option reviewer for eeat. So from here you can set the reviewer person, like who is giving the reviewer for your post. Like here I'm setting it as Mark, and just update the changes. Alright, we are done with the experiences our authors are having, and we have also set the post types that will append in the author bio, and finally we have set the reviews for a post. Now I ask you a simple question. What is your credibility as an author? I'm not asking it. Google will ask you a same question, like what is your credibility as an author? And for it you need to do the author SEO. So for doing the author SEO, you need to optimize your website as an author for the specific eat signals. And don't worry, you don't need any kind of specific coding or any extra plugin for it. DefiniteSEO gives you a specific settings to do the author optimization for your profile. So for it, just follow the steps. Just go to the profile sections from your WordPress website. Like here you can see I have opened my profile here, and here you can see there are settings of DefiniteSEO. Like DefiniteSEO is giving you the specific eat options to optimize the author information. Like here you can enable or disable the author information. I have enabled it. And you can fill your institution name, like from where you have done this study. And you can fill your name here, like I'm just filling a random name, that is Mark, and my job titles are marketing manager here. And in the knows about section you can fill the skills you are having, like I'm having the specific marketing or etc, this and this. So I have filled all my skills here. So the author bio is static here, And in the author image, you can just upload the image of yours here. Like here I'm going to upload this. So our image has uploaded here, you can see. Now the next one is author excerpt. So author excerpt basically the thing like in which style or tone you are writing the post for your website. It's optional. If you want to fill, then you can just add it manually or you can just insert the variables. It's totally optional here. And the final one is profile options. Like you can add your social media links here, like DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin support all kind of social media links here, so you can just paste it here. And after doing these settings, just update your profile. Alright, we are done with the eeat settings for our website and we have optimized our website for the eat Google. Now, what's the point of doing settings if your author information is not visible on your website? So for it, DefiniteSEO provides you some shortcodes according to your themes. Like if you are using the classic theme, then you can just copy the first code and place it in your theme file editor. Like I'm going to place it. Just go to the appearances section from WordPress dashboard and click on theme file editor. In theme file editor, you need to open your single.php file. Like here I'm going to open it. So my single.php file is open. Now under the content section, I'm going to paste my author information here. And then just going to update the file. Alright, we are done with placing the shortcode for our classic themes. But if you are using the block editors, you can just use the second code. And if you don't want to place the code in the PHP file and you want to place it in a specific post, then you can just choose the third code here. Alright, we are done with the eeat optimization for Google. Now it's time to review the information that we have added as an author for our website. So let's review it. Like here, I'm going to open any of my website posts. Like here, I have opened the post Best AI SEO plugin for WordPress. So this is the post we have opened here. And you can clearly see it's mentioned here that this post is written by Mark, reviewed by Steve, and what's the publication date. So if we go at the bottom of this post, you can see DefiniteSEO has created a dedicated post to the author information. Like all the author information is present here, like his name, his experience, his job title, and what's the skill he is having. Here you can see. Alright, so we have done the all eeat settings for our website to rank better on Google. DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin doesn't just display your author and the reviewing person information on your website. It also creates its structured data. Yes, it's true. All the information related to your author and the reviewing person, like their name, skills, qualification, and etc., it is created by the DefiniteSEO plugin as a structured data. Like here I'm going to show. Like I have opened the same post. I'm just pressing the Ctrl U here. And here you can see DefiniteSEO plugin have created the schema markup for my author and my reviewing person. Like here. So you don't need to write any line of code and you also don't need to know any technical knowledge. You just need one powerful SEO plugin, that is DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin for WordPress. Number 1. Don't rely on AI content. Like suppose if you are generating the content from AI tools, don't just copy paste it. You need to modify it. You need to give it human touch so it can rank better. And the best part, DefiniteSEO plugin has a powerful module of AI content lab where you can just generate the content from AI with a humanized touch in just one click. So install it now. Second, Keep the author information accurate and updated. You need to keep the author information accurate means by filling the right information about the author, like which type of qualification he is having and which type of skills he is having. 3. Assign reviewers for the sensitive content. Sensitive contents means YMYL pages. Like we have talked earlier, the pages related to health, finance, legal matters, etc., which can cost your life. So that's why you need to add the reviewers in that case. 4th, ensure the skills that matches with the topics. Suppose if I am the digital marketing person and I am writing about the HR interview skills, then it doesn't sounds good, right? So that's why all my skills should be mentioned about the topics I am writing about. It's very important. Number 5. Never hide the authors. In fact, choose the way of transparency. That means always show the details of the author, like their name, their qualification, what type of skills they are having and how they look like. This will create the credibility and trust on your website and your content. So in the final, I will give you a tip. EAT concept is not just about ticking the boxes of experience, expertise, authoritativeness and trustworthiness. It's about structuring the data of your website in a way that Google can trust you. And with the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin, you can just do it in a simple way and without needing any coding. So install the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin for WordPress now and optimize your website for the Google EAT concept in a simple way. Best of luck for optimizing your website.